Modernizing legacy BI platforms is often risky, time-consuming, and hard to predict. Accelerate BI migration with EZConvertBI on AWS Transform. Designed to simplify and accelerate the move from Tableau and Power BI to Amazon QuickSight. Running entirely within your own AWS account, AWS Transform enables organizations to analyze, convert, and validate BI assets before committing to a full migration. EZConvertBI automates the most complex aspects of BI modernization, including dashboard analysis, dependency discovery, and AI-powered conversion to QuickSight. With a self-service, automation-led approach, teams can test real dashboards, validate accuracy, and make confident decisions without long projects or vendor dependency. AWS Transform removes infrastructure and operational friction, while Wavicle's agents removes the uncertainty that slows BI transformation. You can start small, converting a few dashboards for evaluation and scale seamlessly across hundreds or thousands of BI assets. BI modernization doesn't have to be high risk or high cost. Pay as you go and modernize BI estates with confidence using EZConvertBI on AWS Transform.